Arms up. Do it slow. Hold higher. Breathe together. Breathe together. 1, 2. Breathe out. Try again. 1, 2. Breathe out. Come on, together. Hold it 2, and put it down. Okay, Mr. Scott, You want to say something to any of them? Besides the tubas? I'm giving you permission. But they need to learn their warm-up, right?
Tuba.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to say that.
All right.
You already know tubas. Okay, so let me ask you something, right? Hi, how you doing? Hi. All right, so look, when you're listening to your favorite ballad or slow song or love song, right? When they're singing it to you, do they sing like this? I love you today. Do they sing it like that? No, right? Isn't everything connected? So what you're doing is, one, first of all, good sound. I'll give you that, right? However, the good sound is only the beginning. What you aren't doing is you're not connecting the phrases. You're literally breathing everywhere you can possibly breathe. And it's not really making the music connect because you're not breathing or staggering your breathing. So it's almost like the flutes are breathing at the same time all together. It's almost like y'all like E and like breathe. That's like, I'm serious. That's what it sounds like. It's so, everything is just so choppy.
Haven't we talked about
You know
this?
what I'm saying? Instead of everything just being connected. In other words, you're doing this. What is this called? Vertical play. But it's just not enough of this just soaring through the room. You got me? Yeah. So if you play the B flat warm up, pause up. Let me show you something. 2, I want saxophone, all of you to play out. I want clarinets to play out. And then everybody else come down. 2, ready, breathe. Our line saxophones come down. 2, ready, breathe.
Between 8th period after school. 8th period after school.
I can tell you've been grinding in concert band. Good job. Now get out the thing. This marching band. Horns up. So let me show you something right quick. I'm going to keep going because I know you got stuff to do. 2, ready, and. So, is this like a warm-up, right? So, I don't want your attack, and that's everybody behind flutes, including clarinets, to be like this. That's how all your attacks are starting. So could we get smoother attacks for what we're playing? If we were playing like vice versa or something like that, all day, like air it out. You know what I'm saying? But this is the warm-up. So the warm-up should be a little bit more what? Delicate, correct? Yeah, points up. Yeah, I agree. 2, ready, and. 2, ready, and. It's not boom, 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 boom. Nope, it's da 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 dee da da da. You gotta get more air.
This is
more
where
air.
you play long.
It's
Totally different
long.
from the field.
It's completely
Okay.
long. This is a chance to show off your what? Musicality. Somebody, yeah. It's a chance to show it off.
Said it.
You did
He
not
said it, but he didn't play it.
Start at measure 5. 2, is that where the break happens? Where da 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 dee da da. That's measure 9. You're right. Measure 9. 2. Measure 9. 2. Tuba. Stay on top of the band. Got it? 2. ready, measure 9. Nope. You did it again. You went da, 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 da. I want you to take enough breath to where you can go da, 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 dee, da, da, da. That's what I want. Do it again. Measure 9. 2 and more trombone. E, B flat, G, F. That's a pretty part right there. 2 and ready and measure 9. Go.